Hello everyone, today's vlog is about factory tour to Chilote Tea Estate in Wayanad. Here you will get guided tour to experience tea production process. It involves several stages to transform freshly harvested tea leaves into the final product. While the specific process can vary depending on the type of tea being produced. In the first stage, the freshly harvested tea leaves are spread out in a controlled environment to allow moisture to evaporate for subsequent processing steps. In stage second, the tea leaves are rolled, often using machinery, to break down the cell structure and release the enzymes responsible for oxidation. In stage 3, the rolled leaves are spread out in a well-ventilated area which triggers oxidation. This process is crucial in determining the type of tea being produced, whether it's green tea, black tea or others. For example, green tea is minimal oxidized, while black tea undergoes complete oxidation. The duration of oxidation is carefully controlled to achieve the desired flavor and aroma. In stage 4, the oxidized leaves are subjected to heat, either through pan frying or steaming. In stage 5, the fixed tea leaves are shaped into desired form. This can involve rolling, twisting, curling, or pressing the leaves. In stage 6, the shaped leaves are dried to remove any remaining moisture. Drying can be achieved using various methods, such as hot air drying, roasting, or baking. In final stage, the dried tea leaves are sorted based on their size, appearance, and quality, and packed for distribution. So if you are traveling to Wayanad, do visit Chilote Tea Estate. It's a new experience if you don't know how tea is being manufactured.